Welcome to Kiddyio, where learning is fun. Hello, young learners! Let's learn together. Today, we're learning the letter K. Let's get started. Let's meet the letter K. This is the uppercase K, and this is the lowercase k. Let's learn how to write them. Draw a straight line down and make a slanted line down to the middle. Another slanted line down to the bottom. That makes uppercase K. One more time. Draw a straight line down and make a slanted line down to the middle. Another slanted line down to the bottom. Now you try. Great work! Now, let's write lowercase k. Draw a straight line down. Make a little slanted line down. Then, another slanted line down to the bottom. That makes lowercase k. Let's do that again. Draw a straight line down. Make a little slanted line down. Then another slanted line down to the bottom. Now you try. That's lowercase k. Well done. K makes the sound k, k, k. Let's say it together. K, k, k. Great job! Here are some words that start with K. Listen and repeat. Are you ready? K is for key. K, k, key. K is for king. K, k, king. K is for kite. K, k, kite. K is for kick. K, k, kick. K is for kitten. K, k, kitten. K is for kangaroo. K, k, kangaroo. Wow! You listened so well and said the words perfectly. Great job! Now, it's game time. We are looking for words that start with the K sound. Are you ready?
Let's go!
Which picture has the K sound? Sun, kite, ball. You're right! Kite. Which picture has the K sound? King, tree, girl. King. Great work. Which picture has the K sound? Bird, dog, kangaroo. Yes, you're right. Kangaroo. Which picture has the K sound? Moon, chair, key. Key! Great job! Wow, that's amazing! You listened well and found all words with K. Keep shining! Now, let's review all the words we learned today. Key, king, kite, kick, kitten, kangaroo. You did it! Congratulations! I'm proud of you! You learned the letter K! Great job! Keep learning and have fun!